wobbly wheels.
You're just jealous, James.
Puffy pistons. You shouldn't have collected, Mr. Conductor. I should have.
James is right, little Thomas. You don't understand. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job for important engines. Important is big, and we are big engines. You are small. So we should have picked him up.
Bossy sprockets.
Stop squabbling. All of you, Mr. Conductor, would expect this railway to run like clockwork. Bumping railway trucks is not being useful, Thomas.
Toby, I know you're very wise, but the trucks are very silly.
Silence!
No!
You can't say that word, Percy! You can't say the word silence. Only Sir Topham Hatt can say that.
Then be quiet and let's all get back to work.
Mr. Conductor says you can come out now, James.
What's more important is to stand up on our own wheels to Diesel.
I think Diesel believes the legend of the lost engine.
What engine?
What legend?
Of an engine more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to destroy her.
We better find her first.
Leave it to the big engines, Percy.
Little engines can do big things, especially when they have nice blue paint like me.
Hey, just watch what happens to that blue puffball when Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past here.
Harold overhead! Over and out!
The boss dumped quarry dust everywhere.
Routine flyby, chaps. Hello!
Let's start laughing now.
Oh, sorry, Brutes. Bit of a dust-up. Love to stay and clean up. Got to go. Bye now!
Did you mean to look like that? No, neither did I.
Shoot!